Hello friends, welcome to my another video tutorial on WordPress and WooCommerce for intermediate and advanced users. This is part 10 of this WordPress and WooCommerce series, and these tutorials are particularly designed or created for intermediate and advanced users. In this tutorial, I'm going to develop shop page, the product displayed on the shop page, to make them look different. For example, currently the products looks like this grid and they are pretty dull right now, displaying image, then the tag and title and rating and the price value and add to cart link. So what if your client or you want to make it looks beautiful or make it look different than other websites? Of course, you need to have a design first which you want to make it look like, and that design you can make it in HTML or even in PSD and then convert it to WooCommerce products on the shop page. For this particular tutorial, I find a website which is littlesnippets.net. In the categories section, add to cart cards, I have found this card look different and I want to implement these effects and this look on my shop page on these products. If you look, there are three products in a row, so it means that we need to have three products in a row. For this, I have already created a plugin. I have added an additional functionality into the WooCommerce settings page. If you don't know how to add these settings, I have already created a tutorial on it. I think it is fifth or sixth tutorial. I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly, or maybe 3, 4. But you can look at my previous tutorial, and you will definitely find that tutorial where I have added this customized shop page in products tab, and here it shows that currently products per row, it's displaying 4 rows, 4 products in a row. So in the example we have 3 products, or you can ask your client that how many products you want to display in a row. So here is 3, so I assume that we need to display 3 products in a row. Then I will go here and change it to 3, so product per row will be shown 3, and save changes. And when I come here and refresh the page, you will see that we have 3 products, but there is an extra space shown here which we need to cover. And I right click on it, any image or any link or any product, and when I go to its li tag, I mean these are the products displayed in li tags. So I see that the width is 22.05%, because if it is 22.05%, it means we show 4 products. But now, as you can see, we have 3 products in a row and we want to cover this area. So let me increase this and see which one will look good. So if you see, if I go to 30.05, it looks good and it has covered almost the space evenly. Furthermore, if I make it 7.5, it looks pretty much better, and 8.5 or 8.0. So 30.80% width will be good for this particular 3 rows in a product. So I just selected all of it, right click, copy, and then I go into my child theme. So if you don't know, I'm using 2017 child theme, which I have created using theme configurator plugin, which could easily create child themes for your themes. And I have also added WooCommerce plugin just for getting references that which thing I need to change in the functions.php to implement that effect on a change. So in the style.css, I will paste this, and if you see both WooCommerce and WooCommerce page UL product is width is 30.80, then I remove these I don't need to override, they are same. So only I will override this width property of 30.80, and then I'm gonna save it. And furthermore, if we look that there is no media query on it, so we also don't need to add any media query on it as well. So I saved it and reload the page to see the effect. So the effect is done, and now we have 30.80 page width in the style.css file, and we have 3 products, so I will change this 8 to 6, so only 2 rows will be shown. Just I'm doing this just to make it look nicer, that it doesn't break. So you see we have now 6, 3 in one row, 3 in one row, and then we have increased the other number of pages. You can have 12, you can have 15, and whatever number easily by changing this number. So we have this setup ready. Now let's go to our effect. If you look at this, and we have its HTML, this is its HTML which we need to implement, and as we know already, this is pretty much closer settings to this HTML. So let's first copy the CSS part, and I will select all and excluding the body. We don't need to change the body color, or if your client wants to change the body color, you can add it. And then I will copy this, goes to my Sublime text editor, paste it inside my child theme style.css, and here I will make some WooCommerce changes. Yeah, so what I will copy this and copy it, then I will go find and replace, and in the replace with section I will paste, in the replace with section I will paste this one, and in the find what to replace is dot snip 1246. This one I will replace it with this property, WooCommerce ul.products li dot product, or even I can completely use this, but I don't think so we need this. So WooCommerce will be enough. So replace all, and almost a part of it is done already. So save it, and then go to your product page and reload, and you will see some of the effects are working. And if you look at, you see it's broken down our layout. So let's rectify first this one, and if I look at here with 100%, they have given 100% width, so it means that minimum width is 2 and maximum width is 310 pixels. So if I reduce this width size, like let's see if yeah, it's 283 max width. Yeah. So I will go to the style.css and find that image part where it is setting the height, and yeah, there it is. So what we need to put here, width 283 pixels. So replace 310 with 283 pixels. Save it, go back and reload the page, and over, and if you see this effect, so we have almost done some part of it. Let's move to the next part, and now we need to, if you look at it, have h2 tag, but in our product this title have h3 tag. So what we can do, we can just replace with this one with h3 tag, and this one also which at h3, as we are using h3, and reload the page, and this is fine. We have changed it successfully. Happy Ninja, right? Okay. Furthermore, if I look at here in the HTML part, this figure we have changed it to snippet. I mean that product li. Though there is a fig caption here, fig caption and fig caption here. Either we can I think let's go and add this fig caption and end fig caption started above the title and ending after add to cart button. Yes, keep in mind fig caption start before the title and it ends after the add to cart button. So if we look at our page, product page, we also have a similar structure. We have and spawn tag, image tag, h3 title tag, rating, price, and then we have this add to cart button. So if you look at this add to cart button, I will copy this add to cart button and also I will replace it with this class add to cart button. It is because this has been done because this class add to cart which is using here in the HTML part doesn't exist in our, so it's easy to replace it from there. And after that, if you look that we have add to cart button, looks like same what we see in this result here. So now let's move this products let's move this image from image to from above title to add to cart button inside this image. So how can we do it? Just open your WooCommerce plugin and just to get some references, I will go into our archive product and then content product, and here we will see that before shop loop we can add it before shop loop item title because this fig caption tag, this fig caption tag started before the title, so it means this is suitable action for us to implement it. So I will copy this and here in the functions.php I will simply paste it and do action we will change it to add action comma start my own tag, and then again save it and then go to content, and you see here WooCommerce template add to cart function ends here, so it means I need this function as well so I can add an extra functions to it to implement start my own tag and end my own tag. So this one will start the tag and this will end the tag, and the priority, and here the priority, so if I give it to 5 it will add this flash and product thumbnail as well, so I need to do it after thumbnail. So 10 is the last priority. I can add anything after 10, so let me add 15, and the same goes for the end tag. This is 10, so I will add 15 here and save this one. Now I need to create these two functions, function, and I will copy this. Make sure these names are unique because I'm on my local host and I'm sure there's nothing gonna conflict here, so I use this start my own tag and end my own tag. You can use your own name, unique name, which you make sure that it doesn't exist already, or we can also use if not function exists tag as well, but here this is just a quick solution for you. So echo fig caption, right? And same, I will copy this function, copy it and paste it here and end my own function and then a slash here. So both functions are created, saved it, then go to products and I will reload the page, and I think it's almost, yeah, and you see we have the same effect, working effect here. And if you see in the example, we can go into settings and general setting and we can disable reviews, enable rating and save changes so that it will not display the rating. So you see, and now we need to put where the rating is displayed, we need to put a small description. I mean, if you look at here in the result, there is a small description here. So we need to put this description, and if we go to HTML, we see that it's a p tag. It is a p tag. In the p tag, we have around about 70 or 60 characters length. But if I need to add this description after the title. So after the loop title, we need to use this section. It displays rating and the price. So either I can use this one, and I can give it priority 4, so it will, or 5, so in the replacement of this rating, it will display this description. So I will copy this with the 5 priority, and here I will add action and my shop page excerpt. And you know that excerpt mean that the small portion of the text, complete text in the WordPress phenomena, or in the WordPress theory, excerpt mean the shorter form of your all post data. So I will create this function here, function this, and now excerpt. So my shop excerpt, I will need to, so let's do it first, excerpt, simple, the excerpt. Of course this action is done in the Woocommerce page, so of course I don't need to add product or global, anything global, just the excerpt will work here. So I will reload the page and see what effect does it make. And if you see, we have the tags, but it is too much for this page. So what I need to do is this, I need to save this variable text is equal to get the excerpt. And now I will, if I echo text, you will see the same effect, or maybe some error, I don't know. So we have seen the same text. Now we need to use a PHP function substring text, and we need to tell it 0 to 65 characters I need, and then echo it. So reload, and it's still looking, or we can move it a little bit down. And if we look at caption style, and we can see how much is the height and width, bottom 20, top 20. So if I left 10, right 10, and then I will, so it will make more space, yeah, a bit better. Furthermore, let me do one more thing. Rather than 65, let me do 55, just to reduce some characters, and that it won't look overridden. And yeah, a bit fine. And if for some reason I can change the font size, maybe it's taking font size from the furthermore, I can see that it doesn't even show the p tag. So echo, I will do p dot and dot slash p, and I will reload the page, and now it looks fine. And now even we can increase, because I haven't put the p, so this styling doesn't implement on it. So I can make it 64 or 75, and of course it will look nice. Yeah, it looks nice now. Everything seems to work perfectly fine, and it is yeah, it have a responsive issue though, that it doesn't break down properly. Anyways, that is called furthermore, that is an responsive issue. We can look at it, and then let me do return back that which we edit 2020. Yeah, let it to be 20 and let it to be 20 as per pixel, and let's see. And if you see this, for the price of, if we have a price, sale price shown here, it will override that. So we can move we can make, or we can move this text a little bit down, or we can, I think, reduce the size of this price value. We can to manage it properly. So let's see. And in the inspect element is the best way. Oh, sorry, it goes to the product, single product page. So let me see the price is amount. So if I do amount, font size 1 em, and point 0.7 em, better 0.65, and font weight is 700, just to make it bold. Yeah, perfect. So this is the perfect way. It looks nice, and the price values also. If furthermore you can also increase or decrease the font here. So I can just copy this style here, right click, copy, go to my style.css, put this at the end of the styling and your child style sheet. So after reload and done. So we have proper effect on all the pages. We do have some CSS issue though. I mean responsive issue. Yeah, here this, now look at this product. It's the title which makes it look like weird. So I recommend you don't use these kinds of long titles. These are the best ways that use short title, and you can remove this big title and make it like pizza restaurant, Roberto pizza restaurant, or whatever. Use up to 50% off. Remove this one. So it's up to you. But our task, I think, has been finished, and we have successfully implemented the same effect from here to here. Okay, thank you very much for watching my tutorial. If you like it, please click the like button down there, and also for more upcoming videos, please do subscribe to my channel. And as I'm going to move from this page, if I click it, next time I'm going to make changes on this single page layout, make these and look more nicer, and also like adding your own tabs and removing unnecessary tab, customizing page, shop, this picture, title, description, everything. So here if you see, it's also reduced the price because I've used WooCommerce price amount, and this same is here. So if I just do, let me do quickly, and here it is price. Here I don't think so. No, it will work, and you can further customize it by inspect element and going into single product page, and then like if I right click here, inspect element, and it is same, but it is on product type, product status has product, product simple. We can find that where the price is shown, and we can customize this at this page level as well. So next time we will see this issue as well. We will fix this issue, and if you go to edit category, as it's using the same title, so that you will have same effect on these albums as well. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please, once again, I must mention, do like my video tutorial and do subscribe to my channel as well. And I'm sure you like my tutorials, and they are for basically for intermediate and advanced users. I'm planning to write some tutorial for beginners as well, but let me finish this series as well. After that I will see, or maybe I find someone else who can write, who can make videos for me, and I can put them here. After looking at them, and if they are worthwhile, I will add them here. Thank you very much once again. Take care and bye.